Let's talk about those guys who are just starting out to play this game. Okay, so the first thing that I advise any beginner, number one, is to ensure that you collect the daily reward. Okay, so the way the daily rewards work is that every day you claim them, they keep increasing, and it will reset after 10 days. Okay, so as you can see, today I got 500k and I'm expecting 5 million in 2 days. Okay, so that's the first one. So it will give you enough hamster tokens to buy other cards. The second method, the second strategy is playing the daily cipher. So for the daily cipher is basically a word that is written in Morse code. So Morse code is some electronic way to communicate. I'm sure when you check on YouTube, you should be able to find some of the videos trying to explain the daily cipher. Okay, maybe in future I'll consider doing videos on that. So this will give you 1 million tokens. Okay, every time you play, every day you play it correctly. Now, we do have the third strategy, which is the daily combo. So for the daily combo, we have these 3 cards that you need to get correctly for you to get the 5 million tokens. Okay, so every day there will be a new set of cards that you need to unlock. Once you unlock them, you are issued with 5 million. So to be precise, every day you have a chance of getting 6 million tokens for free. Okay, 6 million plus for free. So these ones are enough if you are a starter to help you buy more cards so that you are able to improve your profit per hour. Now, once you have that, there's also this part where you can keep tapping so that you get additional tokens. Okay, and with this one you can switch to the boost section where you see you have like 6 chances of energy, full energy. What it means is that if you play, like as you can see, I'm at 9,000. So if I deplete the 9,000, I have 6 chances to reclaim the 9,000 tokens. Okay, there's the multi-tap. These ones you have to buy using the tokens again. So this one can help you boost your Hamster Kombat token balance. Okay, not the profit per hour, but the token balance. And for this particular game, the profit per hour at the moment is the most important thing, followed by your level. Okay, good. Now, once you have that, so you have the 4 strategies: daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo, and this tap to earn tokens. Now, once you do that, you need to switch to the mine section. So for the mine section, you need to keep checking, number one, new cards. Okay, the advantage of new cards is that they have more profit than other cards. Okay, so as you can see, for example, if I switch to the special section, you can see that the latest new card is Riyadh Masters 2024, and for 44,670 Hamster Kombat tokens, I will be given 3.44k profit per hour. This is so I'm spending way less to get more profit per hour. Let's compare it so that you get the idea. Let's switch to PR and team, and you can see, for example, this card called IT team, which is I will have to spend 1.4 million to get 662 tokens. I mean, profit per hour. So you can do the comparison and realize that it's not ideal to buy this card. You rather buy this Riyadh card. Okay, so that is, I think, the strategy number 5. Now, strategy number 6, you need to keep unlocking cards. You need to study which cards require which card for them to be activated. And let me give you an example. When you switch to the special section, new cards, for some of you might notice that some of these cards are yet to be activated. So I'll pick one example, this long squeeze card. Profit per hour 2k. Level, the current level is 0, and you can see invite 9 friends. So what this means is that I need to invite 9 friends before this card becomes active. So that's like a condition. So most of the cards will have such a condition, and you just need to study it carefully so that you don't miss out. Let's switch to the legal section, and as you can see, for example, I think most of them I have unlocked. Markets, I think for this particular one I've unlocked most, but the idea here is you need to ensure that you study the condition required for you to open a particular card. Okay, and up to, you can play most of the cards, I think up to level 5, level 10, and at that level, and especially at level 10, you now need to start studying which cards are more profitable compared to others, so that with little Hamster Kombat tokens, you are able to purchase more profit per hour. Okay, so that is a strategy that you have to ensure that you do it every time you play this game. Okay, so another way to earn is to invite your friends, and as you can see, I currently have like 4 friends, so you can just copy the link here and you invite more friends. Okay, so you can share the link on social media or wherever where your friends are, and once they join, Hamster will give you 5,000 tokens for you and your friend, and if you happen to invite a Telegram premium member, you will get 25k. Okay, the other strategy, let's say strategy number 7, is to switch to the earn section, and every day there are quite a number of tasks that you need to complete. So when you complete these tasks, for example, you can see this Hamster YouTube. So when I click on this video, I will land on YouTube, where I have to watch a specific video, and after some time, after an hour, they will validate that you've indeed watched the video and award you with the specified number of tokens, in this case 100k. So you can see you now have 200 free tokens for just watching the video. There are other tasks like joining the Telegram group, following the X account, the exchange, and at least having 3 friends. So that is an important strategy that you should also leverage on, so that you are able to go to increase your profit per hour as quickly as you can. Okay, so that's it, guys, and let me see if there's anything. Yeah, so the other part I want to talk about is should be strategy number 8, is about your level. Now, for those guys who are still at lower levels, in my opinion, you need to work hard so that you get to a higher level, at least level 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the way you do that is that you need to balance between buying profit per hour and your token balance. Okay, because the levels are determined by the token balance. So for those who are not yet at level 7, level 7 should be, I think should be legendary, if I'm not wrong. At least try to accumulate some points, because in my opinion, players who will be at a higher ranking will get more rewards compared to those at lower levels. So you need to keep a balance in between profit per hour and your level. Yes, so that's it, guys. Also remember to connect your Tone wallet so that you don't miss out on the airdrop. So that's pretty much about my what I would say is a beginner's guide to this game. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. See ya.